Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by a dense forest, lived a brave and imaginative 5-year-old boy named Alex. He had a heart full of curiosity and a mind that loved to wander into the realm of fantasy. One sunny morning, while exploring the forest with his loyal companion, a playful puppy named Max, Alex stumbled upon a hidden path that he had never seen before. "Hey, Max! Look! A secret path!" Alex exclaimed, his eyes shining with excitement. Max barked happily, wagging his tail in approval. Without any hesitation, Alex followed the path deeper into the forest. As they ventured further, the trees seemed to whisper secrets, and the leaves danced in delight. Suddenly, the forest opened up to reveal an enchanting glade. In the center of the glade stood a beautiful, ancient tree with glowing leaves. Alex and Max approached it cautiously, feeling an inexplicable warmth in the air. As they touched the tree's trunk, a magical light engulfed them, and the world around them transformed. They found themselves in a world of wonder and awe, a realm of talking animals, fairies, and mystical creatures. The animals greeted them warmly, and the fairies sprinkled sparkling dust that filled the air with delightful colors. A wise owl named Oliver emerged from a tree branch and said, "Welcome to the Enchanted Forest, young adventurers. You have been chosen to embark on a special quest." "What quest?" Alex asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. Oliver explained, "The Enchanted Forest is losing its magic, and only you, Alex, can help save it. You must find 3 magical crystals hidden in different corners of the forest. These crystals hold the key to restoring the forest's magic." With a determined nod, Alex accepted the challenge. He and Max set out on their quest, guided by Oliver's wise advice. Along the way, they encountered friendly forest creatures, who shared their wisdom and offered encouragement. Their first stop was the Crystal Caves, where they had to solve puzzles and overcome challenges to obtain the first crystal. Alex's quick thinking and Max's clever tricks proved invaluable as they retrieved the shining crystal. Next, they ventured into the Whispering Woods, where the trees shared stories of the forest's past. Alex learned about the importance of preserving nature and living in harmony with the creatures of the forest. Finally, they reached the Glimmering Lake, where the last crystal was guarded by a kind water nymph. To earn the crystal's trust, Alex showed empathy and compassion, understanding the importance of kindness in the world. With all 3 crystals in hand, Alex and Max returned to the ancient tree in the glade. As they placed the crystals around its roots, a magnificent glow enveloped the forest. The animals and fairies rejoiced as the magic returned, making the Enchanted Forest more vibrant and enchanting than ever before. Oliver, the wise owl, appeared once again, smiling at Alex. "You have done a great deed, young adventurer," he said. "Your brave heart and kind soul have restored the magic of the Enchanted Forest." As they bid farewell to the magical creatures, Alex felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. He knew that even a young heart could make a difference. With the promise to visit again, Alex and Max returned to their village, carrying the magic of the Enchanted Forest in their hearts forever. And so, the brave and imaginative 5-year-old boy continued to explore the world with a spirit of adventure, knowing that the magic of kindness and wonder was always within reach.